In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with your Squarespace site effortlessly. By the end of this, you'll have a neat and functional sign-up form that seamlessly gathers your subscribers' information, ready to grow your audience. So, let's dive right in. First things first, we need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're inside, you'll want to navigate to your audience. This section is essentially the heart of where all your subscriber data is kept. After making sure you have the right audience selected, the next destination is the sign up forms area. Here is where we'll craft the form that your visitors will see and use. Next, we're going to focus on embedded forms. Why? Because these are perfect for integrating directly into your Squarespace site. Select embedded forms from the list of options. Once you're in, the fun part begins as you get to customize your form. Think about how you want this to look. Do you want it to include first names, last names, or just an email address? Customize the fields and aesthetic to suit your brand's needs. After you're satisfied with the customization, you're going to copy the HTML code provided. This is the magic code that links Mailchimp and Squarespace together. Now, hold on to that code because we're going to switch gears and head over to your Squarespace account. Log in and navigate to the page where you'd like this new sign-up form to appear. Once you're on the right page, click on Edit. This will allow you to make changes to the content blocks on the page. To add your Mailchimp form, you'll need to insert a code block. You'll find this option in the editing interface. Once you select Add a code block, a window will pop up where you can paste that HTML code from Mailchimp. Carefully paste it there to ensure there are no extra spaces or lines. After the code is in place, hit save. It's always a great practice to review how this is looking on your page, so you might want to take a peek and adjust if necessary. Before calling it a day, there are just a couple more steps. You'll want to publish your site to make these changes live. Once that's done, go ahead and test the form. Enter a sample email and check whether it successfully lands in your Mailchimp audience. This testing phase is crucial as it ensures there are no hiccups when your audience starts signing up. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now have a fully integrated Mailchimp sign-up form on your Squarespace site. This form will be invaluable for gathering leads and building your email list. Remember, email marketing is a powerful tool, and having this form ready to go is a big step in the right direction. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.